So what's up? So we have here a new tutorial, and as you can see we have here a floor plan. So this one we will export this one to SketchUp. So okay, and we will open SketchUp, go to File, Import, and Temp1, open and close. So zoom extend, and so we can see this one. Cannot see it. We transfer it to the origin. So Control X and Control V. So it's here. So we can find it now that it's in the origin. So zoom extend. So we can see it now. But we cannot zoom it out. So what we need to do is we will create a square and then move the end and use the push command P to bring it down 200 mm. So just type 200. So and then the weight is set to mm, the unit is set to mm. So the first thing we will do is we will create a rectangle. So just hit R and pick where you want it to put and make it a group, and use push command. The height of this wall is 300. So we will be creating the walls. So in order to do that, if we rotate it, we will create another wall going to different side, different direction. So we have another wall now. So as you can see here, we'll push to the end here. So and we will rotate it again and hit Control. So we will have a new copy. So as you can see now, okay. Well, so we'll start here. I think it's better if we will start the other side, so we will not miss some walls. So we'll just check here what is that side. So as you can see, there is a door, sliding door. So right up to here. That authority will automatically straight. And we group this one and okay. Create this one again and we group, double click, we go inside the group and push again. So and the same thing that we will do to the other walls. So we put a line there, put a line here, also another way to make a wall. Delete what is not necessary, and then okay, delete this one and create a line. Okay, as you can see, there is no face, not yet. There's no face yet. So what we're gonna do is to create a face. We just copying what's in there. So trying to see if it is in the group. So okay, we create lines. So now we have a face. So we cut it out and we paste it in the same place and we push. Okay. And also, in order to have fast work, we need to have only one layer, or everything delete that unnecessary layer. So we created the wall layer, and you can see we will transfer it to wall, and we'll make the wall as the default layer. So here we'll just copy, make sure that it is aligned, and copy again, and copy again, and copy again, and push until the end of the post. So again, we will make a wall here up to here. Okay, we'll just make a square, we push it up, and just type 3000 and pull it up until the other end. So here you can see just to the edge, so we will not have a very wide area to view. So okay, this will be the floor now. So we will align it to the other end, and we make a line here, and we will delete this unnecessary thing. So as you can see, there's nothing there. So there is, I think this is a column. So we'll go back to SketchUp and double click on it and put a line and push downward. So, and also I think there's a column there, so we'll put a column. So now we will create another wall. Just click the wall and move it, and control, so it will be copied. So right there, we hide that one, and we will push this until the end. Okay. Okay. Another one. So just copy. By the way, when we finish this project, I will also give the project free to you guys. So it's up to you if you will download it. But I think it will not be finished in just one setup. So I think I will be uploading maybe 3, 4, or 5 until this will be finished. Also, I will give all the output to you for free. I will just put the link after it will be finished. So here we're just pushing and pulling, copying. So we have so much wall to make. So here, create another wall, place it on the location, and then pull it up. Push it up and until to where it should be. So click the rotate and control so that it will have a copy. Then push it again. Again, just checking if there's a really all walls here, or maybe there's a door. So here, okay, we have post of columns. So just move and press control so the original will be retained, and make a copy. I think this is a wall, but I think it's very thick. But by the way, we'll just check later on the CAD file. So we'll just continue making the walls. Okay, checking it. Alright, I think there's a wall here, so we'll make one. Same process. Move and control so the original will be retained. And then check how far the wall is. Okay, we'll make another wall here. Okay, we'll hide the other one and we'll see how long the wall is. Oh, up to there. Maybe up to here. Maybe up to here. Okay, we'll copy again the wall, the column, and we'll push up to the end. There's a wall there. And so, okay, we're done with this. We'll create another wall because there is a wall in between. Also for the comfort rooms. So we'll take and make a copy and we'll push this all along to the limit. So okay, I think this will be faster if we'll do like this rather than making plans directly on the SketchUp. So we'll push it here and so there is a door. So my technique of doing projects is I will create the wall first. All walls will be created first. And so like this. After all walls are finished, we will create the doors. Okay, so now there's an extra. So we created a line. So we delete it. Okay. We push the wall. So we have another small remaining door for the jump, I think. Door jump. So we hide it. So what is this thing? We don't need this one. So we delete the connecting line and delete the object. Okay. So copy the line, copy the walls, and push again. I think there is no wall there. Okay, we'll check it later. We just created it. So here, I group this one and I make this another wall. This R, then P. But you need to group this one first so that it will not be easily modified. You accidentally click and you modified it. So double click on it. It's a group now. And push. And we have small wall for the door jump again. So create R rectangle using R command, the default one, and also we copy. So basically it's just like that. You create a wall by pressing R for the rectangle, and then you press move or M, and then make a copy by pressing Control. So it will have a copy. So now we'll push this to the limit here. So I think this is a dividing wall for the patients. Okay, that one. So check. Okay, we're back. So okay, we will rotate this one, make a copy, and is there a wall here? Or is this a wall? I think that's not a wall. We'll proceed to another area with walls, real walls, and just press M to move, Control, copy, and we have wall here. Okay, we make group. So just repeating things. So really you need patience here, because in order to meet this one you need really patience, because actually the steps are just repeating. This is running up. So okay, just copy the guides and make it extrude, push again. So here I go here and click pull up. Okay, so there's another comfort room here. Oh, it's nice. With double wall here. Only this portion. Really? Anyway, just make this wall here with a line. So we have a shape, face, rectangle, create here. Then delete this, the face of the floor, and make this group now. Oh, there's another one here. So click it, reverse, click the other one with control click and control X. So we'll cut this one and oh, here we paste, and we will pull again. Here, by the way, by pressing the pull 2 times like that, you will the length of the pull distance will be the same as the previous one. So if the last pull or push is or was 300 mm or 3000, the next pull, if you just double click the object, will be the same. So like here, I put the wall height because it's the standard in our country, or in the country I'm working at. So, but maybe in the other country you will have higher walls, or it depends to the owner, the house, or the owner of the building, the design. It depends up to what they want. The height of the wall will vary, obviously. So create this wall. I'm planning to one click. Oh, mistake. So I deselected, so all the things I selected or deselect now, so I'll select again. Oh, 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 oh my god. So okay, create, click here in the center, make sure not on the line. Oh, 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 oh my god, so dumb. Better delete these unnecessary lines, so I will have no mistake again the next time. So click again. By the way, just press Ctrl to add more selection. So I think it's enough. The other will be in the other group. So push, enter 3000, double click because it has the same height. And also here, create. Okay. Guys, if you have question or clarification or comments, I will just read the comment section below. Just post it there, and maybe I can help you, or whatever you want to put there. So here we'll make again a line for this wall. Actually, same thing. It's just repeating things until things will be finished. So we reverse the face, that will be facing the real one, not the other one, not the back side of the face. So also here, create, delete the necessary lines. Okay, so here also. Okay, here, and delete this one. It's not necessary because it is a door. I think it is a sliding door. So also here. Oh gosh, oh my god. So here, okay, click again, So we Control X and Control V, paste in the same place, and push 3000, 3000, double click, double click. Okay, so we are done with that area. Uh, halfway there, halfway there. Okay, click it there, like this, like that, like this. Oh my god, feel so bored doing this thing all over again like that. But actually, it's really real project. This one is really a real project. So I'm making this one also for the tutorial. So it's a hospital actually. Uh, it is an emergency department for the emergency department. So right here, extend this one, extend that one, and also if you push and or pull and you hover it to a specific object, it will adapt the height or the length of that one, like this one. So we'll make the group and hover it here. Okay, so you can see it gives the same height. So there are basically many things to do things. There are so many ways to kill a cat. So you would say, no, not kill a cat. Many ways to feed a cat. Not kill. Don't kill a cat. Okay, so let's click the post, put it there. Is it really a post? There is no post here. Okay, create a rectangle and push it, point it to top of the wall so it will have the same height. Create a rectangle, delete the unnecessary lines, make it 1, push it, click R for the rectangle command, and click on the first point and the other point. Okay, also here and also here. Oh no, the other side. Okay, here. Does it look straight? By the way, it's straight. So here, make double click, make this group so it will be separated than the other things or in the other object. So next time if you accidentally push or pull something or move something, maybe it will affect these things. So better for me, I think it's better if you will put separate things and separate groups. And delete these unnecessary lines. Oops, delete this one, delete one, this one, this one, this one. So create another rectangle for the end of the wall. Okay, I think we can make this one group. So click, and also to make this group, just click the G key on your keyboard. I think it's the default for group. Here, make a rectangle. There's a wall here, another wall. Also no need to click. We'll just copy this one. Okay, here. And this one. Okay, bring this one here and move, copy. I will be providing a video on how to move, copy to be separate video. But for this video, we'll be finishing this project until the end. So okay, so stay with me here. Remove. Actually, if you will watch this one, you will learn a lot of things. I think as a beginner, if you're a beginner, I'm also not a really the best user of this software, but I've been using this software for I think like 4 years, and I don't know how many projects I made using this software. So this is actually owned by Google before. Now I think it's owned by Trimble, and also you can find many more things in warehouse. Okay, I will also make a video about that one, but for now stick to this until we finish. Okay, we hide this one so we will see if there is something, some object. So we find out there is a wall, there is a door actually here, so we push it to the exact location. Also push this one here, that. Okay, so it's already 10 in the evening here. Copy and create rectangle. Oh, it says right. Move here. Press R and press here and push and type 3000. Double click and click G. The keyboard. Okay, same thing. 3000. Same thing here. Here. Okay. 3000. So click here, there. Okay. So we are almost done. We are almost done. Okay, we create the other wall. You can click M and press Control. Okay. Rotate. Okay. Okay. Here. We move and we will push this one back to the edge. That one. And we will rotate this one to make the other wall. And move and pull. Okay. So we have that wall here. So okay. I will also put in some separate tutorial on how to make this one. And there's another wall. So anyway, I think you can finish this one here. Same process. So I will not show this anymore here, guys. So that's all for this video, and the continuation will be in the other video. So okay, thank you for watching. Okay.